evening, everyone. We're going to witness the parade of lights. So this is your first time to witness the parade of lights of Ormoc City. What do you expect?
Lights, lots of lights.
Lights. Okay. What do you expect? Carl, what do you expect, Carl? This is your first time to watch parade of lights?
No.
No. Okay. So you have no idea?
Mula kay Digman.
No idea? Uy, may motor. And you have no idea?
Hide me.
Okay, no idea. So we'll see. Agoy, napagyapoy magagi-agi o bisag nakakuan na. Naka-ready na mintanan diriya sa parade of lights. Asa naman ni sila be?
Ay, nabisuan mo karon.
Tiyo, team.
Now.
Kami tala may parade of lights. We are expecting lights.
What do you expect?
Expecting too much.
Too much light.
Too much light.
Too much light?
More lights.
No more lights?
Yes.
Baka parade of lights, pero no lights.
Parade of lights sa ato pa mga suga na. No?
Oh. Hi. Hi, Jello. Hi. 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 We're going to witness parade of lights karon, bebe. So, what do you expect karon, be? Uy, hey, Joe!
Agira na dia. Wata.
Sustainable prosperity through renewable energy. By embracing EDC's brand of 100% clean, renewable, and reliable power.
This is the deepest pride and brightest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Our guests, beyond guests, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, sugar, and we'll provide the rest. Soup to show, hot or cold, whatever you decide. Try to rest on this
Taste the sun, sweet berries of the earth.
Asa yung ilaw, Bing? Nag-run out. Cinderella! Cinderella, tawag.